topic formed elements or corpuscles. When we talk about formed elements or corpuscles, these constitute about 45% of the blood. And there are three kinds of formed elements: erythrocytes, other name is RBCs, red blood corpuscles; leukocytes, other name is WBCs, white blood corpuscles; and thrombocytes, other name is platelets. First of all, I am taking erythrocytes. The first characteristic that we always learn about them is their shape, which is biconcave and disc-like. Diameter 7 to 8 micrometer, 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Number is about 4.5 to 5.5 million per millimeter cube of blood. That means about 5 million in number. That is quite a big number, children. Third, moving to, they do not have nucleus. That means no nucleus. Mitochondria, no nucleus, no mitochondria, as well as endoplasmic reticulum, all a no, right? No nucleus, no endoplasmic reticulum, no mitochondria. So, their entire volume is filled with Hb. What is Hb? Hemoglobin. What is it? Red colored pigment, mainly responsible for the transport of gases. An adult person has 12 to 16 gram of Hb in 100 ml of blood. This value varies in men as well as women, right? Then lifespan, it's about 120 days. Clear? Moving to the second topic, that are the leukocytes. Leukocytes are also called WBCs. They are large. Again, we are talking about the size first. Large and possess a nucleus which is centrally located, right? So they possess a nucleus. Their number is about 6,000 to 8,000 per millimeter cube of blood. And they have two categories. They are categorized into granulocytes, where they are a bit granulated, and agranulocytes. Talking about the granulocytes, when we are talking about the category where there is granular cytoplasm and polymorphic nucleus, they are basically known for this characteristic. That means the granular cytoplasm and polymorphic nucleus. Now the first category of them is, the first type of granulocytes is, first of all, neutrophils. नाम ही बता रहा है, न्यूट्रल. बेसिकली ये क्या कर रहे हैं, ब्लड के अंदर कोई भी जो इन्फेक्शन आ रही है उसको या तो फेगोसिटिक एक्शन से क्लियर करते हैं या फिर हमारे ब्लड को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. सो दे आर phagocytic in action, means they will rise up, eat up and give protection against infection. How much? A number 62% of leukocytes, they have neutrophils. Obviously infection भी तो दूर करना है ना. Then eosinophils, the second type. These are slightly phagocytic. They mainly play a role in allergic reactions. All right. So they are slightly phagocytic but play a major role in allergic reactions. Now, their percentage is about 2 to 3% of leukocytes. Right? Moving to the third of it. These are basophils. These are mainly playing a role in inflammatory reactions. All right. And 0.5 to 1% of leukocytes are there as basophils. Moving to the second category, agranulocytes, means no granules in the cytoplasm and is pale blue in color. What are the other characteristics they have? They have a large circular or kidney shaped nucleus. Right? These agranulocytes are of two types, monocytes as well as lymphocytes. What are monocytes doing? They are phagocytic. And second function that you have to remember from its name, these are monocytes, so they are motile also. And 6 to 8% of these agranulocytes, that means in leukocytes. This category will also be a part of leukocytes only, no? Whether it is agranulocytes or granulocytes. So this is also a part of leukocytes. Then lymphocytes. They play a major role in the immune system of the body. They are of two types, B cells and T cells. B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Clear? They are about 25 to 30% of leukocytes. Their number is 25 to 30%. When we talk about this B and T lymphocytes, B is cell mediated or antibody, as B is antibody mediated and T is cell mediated immune response. Then moving to the third type, the thrombocytes, the third category of, as RBCs and WBCs are, the third one is thrombocytes or the platelets. When we say thrombocytes, they are the cell fragments formed by megakaryocytes in the bone marrow. Where is bone marrow located? In the vertebral column also, and in your largest bone of the body, thigh bone, there also. And their number ranges from 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 per millimeter cube of blood. What do they do? Help in clotting of blood. How and why? Because they release substances, inactive proteins. Which one becomes active? Help in clotting of blood. Clear? This is about blood. We have just discussed what is blood, what is the composition of blood, what are the various types of corpuscles which are there in the blood. Thank you.